Morning all. Well, we're off to the hospital again for another blood test. I got a phone call yesterday. Well, I'm going in for my hip operation in 4 or 5 days time, which will be good. I said the other day that I had a feeling that it wouldn't be too long, but yeah, well, obviously it isn't. I was sitting at home yesterday and the phone rang. I don't tend to answer it if it's not a number I don't know. They can always leave a message and I'll ring back, but I did sort of suspect it might be the hospital with the sort of area code, so I answered it, and yes, they asked me if I could come in to hospital on Tuesday, which is 4 or 5 days away, I think it is. So we're off to the hospital this morning to get a blood test, because you have to have I think they have to keep your blood in case they have to give you a blood transfusion or something, so they can match it up, or like something like that. And hopefully it'll be a bit more, well, to be honest, the other day when she took the blood out, she wasn't too bad. Hardly any bruises. She's quite good in the end. Hopefully it'll be like that again today. But yeah, when the hospital, actually, I might turn you around because it's a bit, the sun's in your eyes. Oops, where are you? There you go. We're just coming to the end of the prom to get on the road. Oh, of course, because it's over Chichester, the appointment. Yes, so when the lady phoned to ask if I could come in, which of course I said yes. She said, oh, so I said, oh, what time will it be? She said, oh, 11:30. Right, that's fine, thank you very much, and put the phone down. Anyway, 2 minutes later the phone goes again. Mr. McGivern, yes, he wants you in at 7:30, not 11:30. Fine with me. He wants to do me first on his list, which I'm assuming is so they can do some biopsies and get the results back and then decide whether I'm just in hospital for the one night, or maybe I could come straight home, or whether I'm in there for a few nights. So yeah, so that's fine. So put the phone down again. I get a text message through. Cancel what we've just said. It's at 11:30. Fine. So change the time on my diary, so remind me. 2 minutes later again, the phone goes again. Another text message. Oh, sorry for all the inconvenience, it's 7:30. Right, fine. So I left it at that, and well, in the afternoon the admissions team from the hospital phoned me. It's just a regular check-up to make sure you've not got any illnesses or anything since the pre-op, even though obviously nobody checks any records, and the pre-op was only a few days ago, but never mind. But I checked with her and she said no, it's definitely 7:30. So yes, we're off to St Richard's to get a blood test, and Well, then we got 4 or 5 days to faff around before we go in, but at least we've got a date now. That's good. The only, oh god, oh yeah, of course, once my hip's done, I'll have to put my gallbladder in, and also they've said that they might start investigating my my neck a little more, depending obviously on what aches and pains I have. At least once my hip's done, they'll know whether it is the hip or neck or whatever was causing all the pain. Yeah, I didn't feel too bad after going to Worthing Hospital the other day, although let's face it, we was going pretty slow and did stop plenty of times, and there was no hills. But yeah, hopefully 6 weeks, or well, 6.5 weeks time, perhaps we can go away again, get back out on that road. I'm not gonna book that gallbladder operation in too soon. I might delay it, so hopefully I'll get it over the colder months. Although saying that, it's been blooming cold this last week or so. Not exactly hot today considering the time of the year. Oh. Yes, because I think the recuperation before I'm allowed to cycle is 6 weeks. I think that takes us right into the kids' holidays, in the summer holidays. We don't like going away then generally, and of course with all this trouble going on over in Iran, I think they're talking about everywhere being a lot busier with people not going away. But hey, that's all in the future. Let's get the hip done first. We dropped a blooming bit of a boo-boo. I forgot to bring me crutch. I'm so used to it just being on the bike. I nearly forgot it the other day when we went to the hospital. I'll have to see if they got one I can just borrow in reception when I go into the hospital. How lovely and green everywhere is, if you ignore the traffic, that is. I suppose I could always borrow one of their wheelchairs and use that as a Zimmer frame, same as I use the shopping trolleys. I've probably got time to go home and get it, but I think, to be honest, I'd end up having to put myself under quite a bit of pressure to get there on time. As I say, if I was okay at cycling it, probably wouldn't worry me and I would do it. I bloody took my crutch out to the garage as well. Oh, numpty. Never mind. Well, I was going to use this as sort of my podcast monthly update, but to be honest, there's nothing really happened apart from what's happened this last week. Yeah, I've updated a few more things on my website and on the social medias, but yeah, nothing. Oh, yes, actually, no, sorry. I've been quite busy. I forgot. I've been having my granddaughter staying most weekends and taking her to the to school in one day in the week when mum and dad are at work, and I've been babysitting Julie's daughter's dog Goldie. I've had her for a few days, so yes, sorry, I don't know how I forgot, but I completely did. There you go, see, blooming Mr. Memory. Here we are. These hospital appointments are like blooming London buses. You don't get one and all of a sudden you get two come along at the same time. Let's go and park this bike. Oh, I can see a wheelchair anyway. We can't find a crutch. Oh, there you go. Good. Well, that was a nice and quick appointment. I was in and out even before my time I was due to be there. Yes. I think we're gonna, well, we are heading straight home. I did wonder about cycling on to Portsmouth, because I felt alright, but I'm glad I blooming did it now. Ooh, it hurts. That's what I say, I'm convinced it's when I stop and then get back on the bike, that's when it starts to hurt. But hey ho, hopefully, oh hello, who's that? On Tuesday it'll all be fixed and okay. Oh, I better go, it's my daughter. Oh, she's gone. I'll have to ring her back. Can't really do it here anyway. Well, perhaps the next time we'll speak will be when I'm in the hospital, or I might, well, I suppose it depends, to be honest, how long I'm in there for. But yeah, I think unfortunately for you, you'll get another update like this. I don't think I'll be on the bike for that one though, because hopefully we'll be recovering with our new hip. So I shall speak to you all again soon. Goodbye.